Cleaning of contaminated surfaces with conventional disinfection methods is not always sufficient enough to reduce harmful contaminants. Deployment of Cleamix VCS-100 biodecontamination technique offers a controlled and monitored process for generating hydrogen peroxide vapor capable of destroying even the most resistant microorganisms, like bacterial spores, at room temperatures and low concentrations. The significance of environmental contamination in hospitals, especially following hospital outbreaks, is very well recognized. The hands of healthcare workers can become contaminated through contact with environmental surfaces without direct patient contact, even in rooms that have already been cleaned. There are many industrial manufacturing sites with complex production lines involving numerous steps that present opportunities for contamination to be introduced or even cultured alongside the production line. Hydrogen peroxide vapor represents a rapid technique for the residue-free biodecontamination of both routine and challenging areas, whilst allowing maintenance of surface integrity and protection of products. Common vaporized hydrogen peroxide biodecontamination applications include isolators, transfer hatches, closed restricted access barrier systems, and room biodecontamination, for example in hospital environments, clean rooms, decontamination tents, aircrafts, ships, and shipping containers. There are military applications where deployment of Cleamix VCS-100 biodecontamination can revolutionize protective decontamination procedures. Cleamix VCS-100 decontamination unit is designed for mobile decontamination. Portable unit is easy to transport and easy to operate. Cleamix represents a completely new, highly efficient way of generating hydrogen peroxide vapor. Real-time tuning of the vapor output is made possible by the latest sensor technology, measuring hydrogen peroxide concentration, humidity, and temperature. VCS-100 sophisticated control software enables predetermined hydrogen peroxide vapor levels to be maintained at targeted exposure periods in various biocontamination situations, and risk of hydrogen peroxide condensation accumulating on surfaces can be minimized. It is possible to start, abort, and monitor the decontamination cycles and observe the decontamination system status from a computer, or preferred from a tablet or smartphone via Wi-Fi connection. While actual performance highly depends on environmental conditions, independent third-party laboratory evaluation has provided Cleamix a performance declaration stating that hydrogen peroxide vapor concentration of 200 ppm is attained within 60 minutes in a 500 cubic meter space in absolute cleanroom conditions. It should be noted that for larger spaces, multiple devices can be networked for better coverage, providing extra assurance of proper decontamination throughout the treated area.